As a professional organizer, I'm all about functional and aesthetically pleasing. I just picked up these MoliMoli oil dispensers. I absolutely love the look. It comes with a packet of stickers. So there's like several. You can use it for like coffee syrups, all your oils, all your vinegars, and there's labels in here for everything. I ordered a set of 2, and I've already set up my olive oil. Isn't it pretty? It's so pretty. And then I put it, when I say functional, I like to have it out. So let me just flip the camera around and show you how pretty it is. So if you're going for that aesthetically pleasing look, you could use these at your coffee bar for your coffee syrups, for your oils. In my case, I usually use olive oil, so I have this one right here, and it's perfect.